Shall I go on an interesting topic? Interesting topic. Concept based topic. Argument based topic also. Shall we start? Relevant costing. Nice area. On the basis of decision making, based on decision making, cost can be classified into two types. What are all they? Based on decision making, cost can be classified into two types: relevant cost and irrelevant cost. What do you mean by relevant cost? Costs which are useful for decision making purpose. Costs which are useful for the decision making purpose are called relevant cost. Costs which are not useful for the decision making purpose are known as irrelevant cost. Costs which are useful for the decision making purpose are called relevant cost. Costs which are not useful for decision making purpose are known as irrelevant cost. Whether it is useful for the purpose of decision or not, accordingly relevant or irrelevant comes into picture. The sense what? Useful for the decision making represent because of the decision influence should be there, then only it's called useful for the decision making purpose. Suppose you want to join costing class, whether I have to join Hariran's or costing class or not. Before you are going to join, we have to analyze whether class is nice or not, whether we will complete the portion or not. You have to analyze some data. Just like that, nobody will pay the money based on advertisement, right? So, if you are going to analyze, thereafter you are going to pay the money, then it's useful for decision making. Why? Depending upon the feedback, whether which one is good, who are all the competitors are there, which best alternative you can join. Okay, accordingly, if you are going to pay the money, mean based on decision making, the cost payment may going to vary. Right? Instead of X Academy, Y Academy, instead of Hariran's or which class, clear? It will be their influence over the decision making. Suppose, like CPT, my friends are joined, sir, that's why I joined, sir. Because of advertisement, I joined, sir. People came to school, do the advertisement. Because of the campaign, I joined, sir. After joining, after paying money, if you are going to worry, your class is not at all good, then worry alone will be there. We can't the position to make any decision. So there is no influence over the cost based on your decision, right or not? So, in general, before making payment, it may be useful for decision making purpose. Before incurring cost, it may be useful for the decision making purpose, right? So, costs which are useful for the purpose of decision making is called one, because all the costs useful only. Why? But whether I have to pay or no need to pay, accordingly decision may going to vary. I can have the influence over the decision. I can have the influence over the cost, mean that is called one relevant cost. Even to watch movie, today you want to go for movie. Before you go to movie, which mall I can go? What all the movies are there? Which movie review is good? Based on feedback, you are going to get the ticket. Mean it's relevant for decision making. You thought of going to one movie after hearing that feedback. Okay, I can go for next best. Then relevant for decision making. Just like that, along with the college days. Okay, bunking the class, go to movie. Nearby, what movie ticket event enter inside? In the what interval you are going to worry. Your movie is not at all good. Okay, there is no heroine at all. If you are going to worry, mean then worry alone will be there. It won't useful for the purpose of decision making. So influence over the cost is there or not. Accordingly, only decision making comes into picture. Clear? So based on decision making, cost can be classified into two types. What are all them? Relevant cost and irrelevant cost. Example for the relevant cost: marginal cost, differential cost, incremental cost, decremental cost, out of packet cost, explicit cost, replacement cost, opportunity cost. These are all example with respect to marginal. Example with respect to relevant costing. Irrelevant cost, sunk cost, committed cost, absorbed fixed overhead, These are all what? Irrelevant for decision making purpose. Are you with me? Now, I am running industry. I have some quotation, raw material I need. I am having quotation from Nivi as well as Ant. Where I have to buy the raw material, I have to make a decision. Before to run the business, I need a place. From Aruna, I got the place. Agreement over. Okay, I need the place per month. I am ready to pay 50,000 rupees rent for the same, which will agree. Agreement over. Now, company's point of view, all the person stakeholder only, right? Now, Nivi as well as what? And I am going to buy the product. Any one of or both, I have to what? Purchase the raw material. Without raw material, I can't run the business. From Aruna, also I am having monthly once I have to pay rent. Now, the relationship between company and Aruna Limited is a committed cost. Why? Irrespective, because once agreement over, year after, that month after month I have to pay. But Aruna, and Nivi and Ann, I got the quotation. Then I may have to choose, choice to what choose, who is best, which supplier is best. I can see the quality of the product, negotiation possible or not, whether you will do door delivery or not. Accordingly, my priority may going to change. Right or not? How much a defect based on past experience. Therefore, the agreement going to enter. I am also going to enter the agreement. Okay, just in time agreement, every chance. 1 year I am going to what purchase from you. But the relationship between you and me is called what? Relevant cost. And previous one is committed cost, irrelevant for decision making. Are you with me or not? Whether the influence is there or not, whether I am going to pay money, even though I have not paid money rent, I supposed to pay money, I forced to pay money because agreement over. Right? So I have committed, therefore committed cost. But from your end, I may have the chance to what? Okay, cancel, or I have the choice to choose which one is the best. Then it's become what? Relevant for decision making purpose. Always remember one thing with respect to relevant cost. So the simplest topic. Unlike other topic, we are not going to worry about first decision to last sequence. Budgetary control, production budget, raw material requirement budget, raw material production budget, labor cost budget. Okay, thereafter preparation of profitability statement. The link will be that to one requirement to another requirement. Right? And keep on even material costing, labor variance analysis. Everything has interlinked one. But relevant costing, less stress only. Why? Every line item carries mark. Like old wealth tax. But you have seen wealth tax. Whether it is following items will come under the wealth or not, as per the definition. Clear? If it is wealth, you are going to add, else you are going to omit. Same logic. Here, relevant or irrelevant. Everything is a cost only. Relevant means you are going to consider, otherwise you are going to omit. Therefore, if even one line item wrong, that proportionate part, half mark or 1 mark, whatever the mark they allotted, that only what? You are going to lose. Remaining 6 points are there. 6 relevant cost, 6 items you have to consider. Out of which 5 items right, only 1 item wrongly choose instead of relevant or relevant vice versa. The 1 mark only you are going to lose. Or the half mark only you are going to lose. Therefore, comparatively less stress only. Right? ஒரு ஐட்டம் பார்க்கணும், எஸ் இது புரிஞ்சுச்சு, எஸ் ரெலவென்ட். இன்னொரு ஐட்டம் வேகா இருக்கு, இங்கி பிங்கி போட்டு விட்டு பார்த்துப்போம், சான்ஸ் இருக்கு வரதுக்கு. Clear? Therefore, comparatively less stress. But other items and all, production budget, if you are going to do ulta, instead of add closing stock, less opening stock, மாத்தி அடிச்சனா போச்சு, full wrong ஆயிடும். Are you or not? Therefore, comparatively less stress and less time consumption. Why? If you know the theory, if you know the concept, relevant, like one word question mark, okay, valid or invalid. If you know that, the same 4 mark question, if you are going to write descriptive question, little difficult. You have to spend double the normal time. Provided you should be strong in the concept. The entire relevant costing, you should be strong in theory parts. Concept stronger, theory stronger. Thereafter only you can choose which one is relevant, which one is irrelevant. Because data available in this question, we are going to choose this X material cost, relevant, labor cost, irrelevant, I am going to omit or add. After all, addition or omission only I am going to do. But for that there is no mark. Because if I am going to add, why you are adding, why you are considering, because of opportunity cost or because of out of packet cost, because of what incremental cost. So you have to write the reason. If you are not going to write the reason, just because you are going to add, there is no mark at all. Suppose labor cost you have to omit. Why you are omitting? The reason column carries mark. Understood? After all, addition is omission only. We want the person to get the mark. Like true or false question with the reason. Here remark you have to write. The remark is the mark on. If I am going to omit, yes, it's a committed cost or sunk cost, I have to specify. If you don't know the proper definition, I can't the person to justify properly. Am I right? Clear? Many students used to write, if it is relevant, na, okay, out of packet cost. Irrelevant means sunk cost. Clear? Ellame out of packet cost are ellame sunk cost are. Therefore, you should know the definition properly. You first learn the theory properly. Then only we can be the, even for the wealth tax one, if I am going to add why it is wealth, which section, what is the reason? It may be because of clubbing also, it may be because of the direct definition also. You have to write the proper definition or section. Then only will carry marks. Similarly, if you are going to omit, it may not form part of asset or wealth tax body. As per the wealth tax, not at all asset. But it asset, it may be exemption. Clear? What is the reason? Or some basic limit government Gurudrupa. Clear? What is the reason you have to write? That's the reason I am omitting. You have to specify. The same logic applicable for relevant cost. So, you force to learn the theory part properly, definition part properly. Enna cost appdi kandupidikka theriyum. What are all the cost? You know the cost classification. How many bases are there for cost classification? Cost, rarely they ask, okay, once in 5 or 6 attempts. And you know the classification. Based on decision making, costs are classified. What all the cost classifications are? There are 2 mark or 3 mark. That you know, okay. Similarly, many classifications are there. Any one of the classification, rarely, because the basic concept only. Rarely they may test. Why are they are asking simplest question also? Because the reason for many occasions you come across simple question also. Opportunity cost also they ask many times. Okay. The short notes on relevant cost, 2 mark or 3 mark. That not up to your mark. But in spite of that they used to ask, because paper setter means not only 1% paper setter, sir. 3 or 4 people will be there. Assume 3 people are setting the paper. Southern region, I have been allotted for setting the paper. I am setting 100 mark paper. Similarly, who and all setting the paper, I am not aware. Various places, assume 3 or 4 paper is in my hand. Out of which, another person again, committee member will be there to select. Okay, the deputed member will be there to select. In the null and they will create new paper. Then only we can maintain our own ward. Clear? If you are going to create new paper, why is there new paper they have to create? Because assume I am a fresh chartered accountant, but I am having experience in teaching. If I am going to set the paper, for example, I may be going to set very easiest paper. Chance even one faculty, another faculty, level of problem going to vary, increase or decrease. Am I right? Suppose highly knowledgeable person, அவனுக்கு இதெல்லாம் ஒரு கொஸ்டினாவே இருக்காது. What is this? CA level இல்ல தூக்கி போடுவான். Clear? உங்களுக்கு தான் அந்த கஷ்டம் தெரியும். Clear? They are in this different world இருப்பாங்க. And that person toughest question இருக்கும். Even the faculty may not the person to what clear the exam. In that manner they will say. Chance இருக்கா இல்லையா? one person another person. When tax எடுக்கிறோம். Clear? You know BCom question பார்த்தா சிரிப்பேன். இதெல்லாம் இதுக்கு 10 மார்க் ஆண்டு. But in that level it may be. Therefore, depending upon the knowledge of the paper setter, it may going to vary. Toughness of the paper going to vary. Chance irukka illaya? Therefore, if I am going to depend one paper setter, either romba easy aidum or very, very difficult, ultimately are going to clear. Therefore, again they will shuffle. Therefore, moderate paper chance nariya irukku adha pandradhu. Right? In that sometime one paper they will fully omit also. Vandam அப்படினு chance irukku. They won't reveal the data. That's all. Clear? ஏன்னா already committed. Remuneration தரேன் prepare பண்ணி கொடுங்க சொல்லியாச்சு. Suppose that question is not up to the mark, என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? Clear? Okay. Or other question much more better than this. Therefore they force take out. Now after setting, shuffle பண்ணியாச்சு. First question from you, second question, third question. Total may not be going to tally with 100 mark. Chance இருக்கா இல்லையா? After shuffling the same, in that juncture 3 mark or 4 mark, clear? The patch up பண்றதுக்கு. Some okay easiest question from past exam or practice model study material. Okay, the easiest one theory easy போட்டுறலாம்ல. Understood? Instead of creating or what? Clear? Theory na short notes போட்டா refer choice answer or refer what practice model value இருக்கும் 2 3 கொடுத்துடலாம். Clear? So இது மாதிரி simple question வரவும் உனக்கு chance இருக்கு. For that you should be strong in the theory part. Theoryum they are asking. What are all the cost classification? How many bases are that to classify the cost? எவ்வளவு bases இருக்கு? How many bases are there? You know various costs. What are all the costs are there? What are all the costs are there? என்னென்ன காஸ்ட்லாம் கேள்விப்பட்டிருக்கீங்க? What are all the costs? Direct cost. Okay. indirect cost, thank you, no? Fixed cost, variable cost, semi-variable cost, opportunity cost, committed cost. எவ்வளோ காஸ்ட் கமிட்டட் மத்த சொன்ன பத்தியா, அதை யோசிச்சுக்க. அப்புறம் சங் காஸ்ட் தான். வாட்ஸ் தட்? historical cost, marginal cost, Mysore Maharaja, opportunity cost, over. Okay, next. Don't create new cost. That's all. What is out of pocket cost? Okay, replacement cost. Sorry, differential cost. That's all. ஹலோ, நிறைய படிச்சாலே அவ்வளவுதான், சின்ன சின்ன விஷயங்களை மறந்துடுவோம் இல்லையா? இன்கிரிமெண்டல் காஸ்ட் என்னப்பா? டெக்ரிமெண்டல் காஸ்ட், பிரைம் காஸ்ட், ஃபேக்டரி காஸ்ட். ஐயோ பாவம், ஃபைனல் தானப்பா, மாத்தி சிபிடி தான் வந்துட்டேன்னா. போறோம் சார், நிறைய இருக்கு சார், ஜாலியா லீவ் போடு. நெக்ஸ்ட், தட்ஸ் ஆல். So you should know, first of all, many cost இருக்கு, நிறைய இருக்கு இல்லையா? How to have the control over the cost, how to remember all the cost, that is important. The cost are broadly classified into cost classification, broadly classified into 8 bases. How many bases? It's not a recent amendment, okay, long ago. அப்படியா? Cost are broadly classified into 8 bases. Time based classification, element based classification, behavior or nature or variability based classification, relationship based classification, controllability, normality, functionality, and decision making. So totally how many bases are there? What are all they? Time based classification, element based classification, behavior or nature or variability, relationship, controllability, normality, functionality, and decision making. Now, based on time, cost can be classified into 3 types, sir. Historical cost, current cost, and predetermined cost. Historical cost, just listen, historical cost, current cost, and predetermined cost. Based on the element, cost can be classified into 3 types: material cost, labor cost, material, labor, and overhead, other expenditure. Material, labor, overhead, IPC syllabus kanna, okay? Material cost, labor, and other expenditure. Based on behavior or nature or variability, fixed cost, variable cost, and semi-variable cost. Based on relationship, direct cost and indirect cost. Based on controllability, controllable cost, uncontrollable cost. Based on normality, normal cost, abnormal cost. Based on functionality, production cost, administrative cost, selling and distribution cost, research and development cost, pre-production cost, and conversion cost. Based on decision making, relevant cost and irrelevant cost. These are the various types of cost are there. Clear? Totally how many bases are there? 8 bases are there. Time based classification, element based classification, behavior or nature or variability, relationship, controllability, normality, functionality, and decision making. On the basis of time, cost can be classified into historical cost, current cost, and predetermined cost. On the basis of element, material, labor, and other expenditure. On the basis of behavior or nature or variability, fixed cost, variable cost, semi-variable cost. On the basis of relationship, direct and indirect cost. On the basis of controllability, controllable and uncontrollable cost. On the basis of normality, normal and abnormal cost. on the basis of functionality, production, administration, selling and distribution, research and development, pre-production and the conversion cost, and on the basis of relationship. On the basis of relationship, I asked. And on the basis of decision making. Now, based on time, cost can be classified into three types. What are they? Historical cost. Costs which are already incurred in the past are called the historical cost. Costs which are incurred for the purpose of day-to-day affairs of the business are called the current cost. Costs which are yet to incur or to be incurred in near future are known as predetermined cost. Costs which are incurred for the purpose of physical tangible input to produce a product are called the material cost. Costs which are incurred for the purpose of human resources to produce a product are called the labor cost. Costs which are incurred for the purpose of producing the product other than material and labor are called other expenses. Total costs remain constant irrespective of the level of production, whereas per unit cost going to vary with that costs are called the fixed cost. Total costs going to vary depending upon the volume of production, whereas per unit cost remain constant, that costs are called the variable cost. Costs which are partly fixed in nature and partly variable in nature are called semi-variable cost. Costs which are directly attributable to produce a product are called the direct cost. Costs which are indirectly help you to produce a product are called indirect cost. Expected cost, reasonable cost, unavoidable nature, inherent in natures are called normal cost. Over and above the normal costs are called abnormal cost. Costs which can be controlled by the management of affairs of the companies are called controllable costs. Costs which are beyond the control of the management is called uncontrollable costs. If you are going to classify the cost based on the functions involved, production, function, administration, and then functional based classification of the cost. Costs which are useful for the purpose of decision making purpose is called the relevant cost. Costs which are not useful for the purpose of decision making are called irrelevant costs. These are all what? Various cost classification. You should be strong in the theory. Then only getting that one word question and all very easy. Am I right? Now, shall we start? All of you, by way of solving the problem, you can become what? Strong in the theory also. Shall we try, sir? That's the reason it is what? Argument oriented one. Why, sir? Why not relevant, sir? Why relevant, sir? Previous problem relevant, no. This is not relevant, no. Clear? It's not based on the thumb rule and all. It's based on that particular situation. It may be relevant or irrelevant. It's purely based on what? Situation only. For that, you have to be in the position to know the question properly. Accordingly, you have to proceed further. Shall we try? All of you? Good. Now, take your question back. To have the better clarity over theory based question. Very first question. Any 4 questions they'll ask, each one carries 1 mark. Okay. Now, find out following items comes under relevant cost or irrelevant cost with a reason. Cost which never useful for decision making. Okay. That's the basic definition only. First one, irrelevant cost. Administrative expenses, selling and distribution expenses, etc., which are charged as expenses against the revenue. Relevant or irrelevant cost? Irrelevant cost. Okay. Due to what? Period cost. What is it called? Period cost. Incurred for that particular period. Period cost. Brokerage of rupees 20,000 agreed to pay for getting rented premises for the factory. Irrelevant cost due to good. Irrelevant cost due to committed cost. Costs which are initially recorded as asset and subsequently treated as expenses. Irrelevant cost due to, that is important, capitalized cost. Capitalized cost. Savings in cost by way of change in the method of production. Savings in cost by way of changing the method of production. Relevant cost due to differential cost. Supervisor salary, admin salary, etc. Irrelevant cost due to indirect cost. Indirectly help you to produce the product. WDV of machine which are going to replace irrelevant cost due to sunk cost. Example for sunk cost itself, WDV of the machine, sunk cost. Historical cost incurred in the past. Relevant or irrelevant? Due to irrelevant cost. Sunk cost. Historical cost incurred in the past. Definition for the sunk cost itself. Sunk cost definition. Okay. The next best alternative cost due to opportunity cost. The first question, 9th question is not a past exam question, just for the purpose of nammalu write up potonu or happiness only. So for that purpose, the first and the last question. Comfortable? Are you with me? Now, similarly, go to the last question also. Similar type of past exam question already came. 16th question. There we come across relevant or irrelevant. Now we have to consider whether it is which type of cost. Then only can solve the problem. Okay. First one, cost incurred due to producing or distributing few more or few less of products. First one, what ma'am? Differential cost. Few more or few less of product. Differential cost. No, Dakanna. Cost incurred due to producing or distributing few more or few less of the product. Sometimes fixed cost also comes under the differential cost. Extra increment anaka. But variable cost only with respect to varying with the level of production alone. The product cost would incur the variable cost. That's why specific definition is there. For a kind of intention, everything cost only. Am I right? Incurred for producing the product is called the cost. Rent, relevant or irrelevant? Depending upon the situation. Same rent. Last month I pay upon a rent. Historical cost nu solluven. Next month rent, relevant for decision making sollaam. Am I right or not? So cost remains same. It's depending upon situation only. Name of the cost going to vary. Am I right or not? Nivedita remains same. For me, she is a student. For father, daughter. Am I right? Others, okay, friend. Am I right? So depending, person remains same. Depending upon situation is going to vary. What may be? You know better. Am I right? Now, second one. Interest on capital, the payment for which is not actually made. Also called, yeah. Imputed cost. Additional cost incurred due to selecting additional sales channel. Differential cost. Listen here, differential cost can be classified into what and what? Incremental cost and decremental cost. The form part of differential cost is incremental cost. Okay, good. Loss of interest on bank deposit for using fund. Opportunity cost. Good. Payment of factory rent even after temporary closing down. Shutdown cost. In marginal costing, shutdown dot போகும்போது எல்லாம் கன்சிடர் பண்ண வேண்டியிருக்கும். Okay. Works cost excluding raw material cost. Material cost தான் exclude பண்ணிருக்கான். Labor இருக்கும் இல்லையா? Good. Called called conversion cost. Good boy. To convert the raw material into finished goods. Therefore, other than material cost is called conversion cost. Seventh one. Expenses like advertising, public relation, executive training, etc. Discretionary cost. Your own discretion. Advertising pannati varala. Training kudutha kudukalam kudukama irukkalam depending upon management policy. Okay? Then it is called what? Discretionary cost. Name itself implies the character. Cost incurred in making trial run production. Very good. Pre-production cost. Charges of fast track call taxi for the first 5 kilometers 100, thereafter rupees 10. Semi-variable cost. Let's see who will get the correct answer. 10th one. Direct wages plus direct expenses plus production overhead. Variable cost. Production overhead, both variable and fixed. No. Factory cost is the worst cost. Slap yourself. Works cost is the next worst cost. Factory cost na works cost ni pere. No. Aralusugala answer already irukku. Other than material cost ma direct wages ana kuduthirukku. போனது டெஃபினேஷனா சொன்னோம், இந்த ஃபார்முலா மாத்திருக்கோம், அவ்வளவுதான். Swaha. Also listen here. Factory cost minus raw material cost. Well, வீட்டுக்கு போக சொல்றேன். Other than raw material conversion தான்டா. Direct labor plus direct expenses plus production overhead conversion cost. Material cost சேர்த்தா factory cost ஆகப்படுது. Factory cost minus raw material cost conversion cost. Definition என்ன? To convert the raw material. Definition convert the raw material. Already raw material cost is there. Other than raw material cost. To convert the raw material into finished goods. அப்ப finished goods வரைக்கும் என்ன காஸ்ட் இருக்கும்? Factory cost மட்டும் தான் இருக்கும். Admin, selling and distribution not required. Are with me or not? For selling purpose only other expenses going to come. Right? Therefore, it's called what? Converting raw material into finished goods are known as what? Conversion cost. Okay? 11th one. Due to recession, management has reduced the percentage of bonus. Controllable cost within their control. Due to recession, I don't want to pay GST. I don't want to pay license fee. Is it possible? Statutory payment and all uncontrollable cost. It will comes under controllable cost. Next. Salary, wages, postage that involve immediate cash payment. What? Out of pocket cost. Also called explicit cost. Cost associated with the acquisition and the conversion of material into finished product. இது கரெக்டா சொல்லுவோம். எல்லாம் past exam question தாங்கண்ணா. Just 4 mark question. Any 4 question they'll ask. Further final level la sollu. The cost sheet level is in. Cost sheet level la soll. Product cost. Produce பண்ற cost, product cost. IPs you may have the confusion. Cost of production, cost of sales. So one no sir. Cost of sale, cost of goods sold, cost of production, cost of manufacture. All same terminology மாதிரி இருக்கும். But final level அது மறந்துருக்கும். இந்த டவுட் மறந்துருக்கும், அவ்வளவுதான். ஆன்சர் தெரிஞ்சிருக்காது. முருகா. Now, again to have the better clarity, listen here. Now, little comfortable with the relevant costing, so that will help you for solving the problems. With respect to material cost, always remember the entire relevant costing. For kind info, more than 65% of your syllabus will be completed if you are strong in marginal costing. Rather, final 60% of the syllabus is based on marginal costing only. Boldly we can say. Topic name adam pirichirukom. Understood? Ingredients remain same. You want dosa na dosa, idli kudukuran, idli upma kudukuran, or vada. The material remains same. Right? Adam pirichu pandrom. Here, marginal cost is only your substantial syllabus, except for new scheme. New scheme additional management theory has added. Right? Management part. Marginal costing is a substantial syllabus. Here, with respect to your syllabus, before we'll come for material cost. Marginal costing. Thereafter, CVP analysis and decision making or topic. Clear? Nothing but advanced version of marginal costing. Accounts, advanced accounts. Okay? Every college level tax introduction. Now advanced level tax. Okay? How to make use of the marginal costing technique for the purpose of accept or reject decision, make or buy decision, continue or shut down. That tool we are going to use for decision making. Understand logic or not? Clear? That is called one CVP analysis and decision making. Next, relevant costing form part of marginal costing only. Marginal costing is equal to direct tax. Relevant costing is equal to income from house property. One particular segment. Clear? Here we are going to worry about only salary, income from salary, I mean employer-employee relationship. Similarly, one particular segment useful for decision making or not, that segment alone you are going to analyze. Other things you won't consider. The main difference between marginal costing and relevant costing is, marginal costing, our intention is to maximization of profit. This concept is supposed to know, then only can understand why we are adding or omitting. Whereas, in relevant costing, our intention is to minimization of loss. Many occasions I told, quotation, during the quotation, we have added all relevant costs for the purpose of making the what quotation. Metro rail project, L&T, what type of pricing policy, sealed bid, okay? Quotation, we can add all the cost. Only relevant cost you can add. In the sense what? There, my intention is not to maximize the profit. I want to minimize the loss. Understood? Why, sir? If a demand is there, I no need to bother about relevant costing. Total cost, add profit. Idampa selling price. Wait. Then there is no need for relevant costing topic here. Real estate business. Purchasing house property or land. Okay. Two types of business is there. One is buyer's market, on terminology. Another one is seller's market. Soon you are going to come to the stage. You want to purchase. After you settle, become a chartered accountant within 2 or 3 years. After earning what money, obviously we need one property. Right? So now the confusion will come. Buyer's market, seller's market. What is buyer's market, seller's market? Suppose you need house property in Mylapore. Clear? Before they are going, as an investor, real estate person, I have to invest the money. Any businessman, I have to invest the money. I have to produce a product. Product nallarkan touch panni paathutu vaanguven. Right? If you like, you are going to what? Pay the money. But house property, if case of buyer's market, any posh locality, Mylapore, you want to purchase. What is property? How it is going to come? We don't know. Right? Old house, they might have demolished. Board will be there. We are going to Casa Garden. Okay, we are going to what? Construct the house property in Poduvum. Or any person, okay, contact. Now we will the queue, you have to pay the money. Because getting property in this place is very difficult. Clear? They are going to build what? 2 years or 3 years time. In spite of that, well in advance you are going to pay the money. Depending upon the what? Ground floor over, first floor over, second floor over, accordingly I have to pay, release my money. At the cost of your money is going to construct the business. Understand logic or not? By way of collecting your money, they are going to what? Do the construction activity. First floor over ma, second floor started, you have to pay. So installment basis, okay, depending upon the progress, they are going to what? Out of your 100% payment, first you have to pay 40%. Thereafter, depending upon first floor over 20%. Thereafter what? 15%. They are going to collect the money. Based on collected money, they may going to what? Build the house property. And you can't the person to bargain also. N number of conditions will be there. Many conditions not even the person to understand, including the demolition stage, garbage, other remove pandra cost also you have to bear. In that manner they will torture. Want or don't want. If you are not there, other NRI people are waiting in the queue. Right? Many investors also there. I will buy one property, well settled. At least by later retirement stage, I can get some rental income because I need the property. They won't bother about. They will give the appointment. Sir, I want to 12:30 if you possibly come ma. No sir, office or not leave podunga for your house property in this location. That too clear. They will give the instruction. Want or don't want, like school admission, you have to be there. Right? That is called what? Seller's property. Seller's market. I want dominate pannuva. Same person, okay, somewhere next to Tambaram. Okay, they will announce as next to Tambaram, next to Anna Nagar, next to Mylapur, avane peru vechupam. Okay, orakadam vandu vaangi parunga maatham vandu. Clear? Ellarum gupta ashinu peduvom. Now they will go buy one get one offer la vandhudu after flood. After Chennai flood, முன்னாடிலாம் தண்ணி இருக்கான்னு பார்த்து வாங்குவோம். இப்ப தண்ணி இல்லைன்னா தான் வாங்குறான். Yes or no? Those days in Chennai, whether water is there or not, then only will pay the money. Now water not there means they are ready to pay the money. Because of water, okay, substantial price gets reduced. Understood? Now they are going to offer, okay, house property with the boat also. Anyway, emergency you need it. Clear? They are paying down payment or they are going to pay some money. Clear? Registration I will take care. Somewhere means what? You can give the missed call. They will call you. Okay, what's our clear? Free pickup and drop facility for sightseeing. Clear? That to sightseeing vachina action bova. Tomorrow not possible. I am working office 20,000 salary loss of payment. Okay, there crores and crores we are going to pay. We have to be there in stand line. But there, okay sir, when can I will come on Sunday sir. I will come and pick you. Sunday morning TV program irukku 11 o'clock mela va. Clear? So they will give the instruction accordingly. They are obeying. Pickup drop facility கொடுத்து சோறு போட்டு சாப்பாடுலாம் போடுவாங்க போயிட்டு. Clear? ஒரு டெக்னிக் போற மாதிரி போயிட்டு வருவாங்க. Clear? And they will arrange loan எல்லாம் பார்த்து கொடுப்பாங்க. That is called what? You can bargain like anything. In one, okay? That is called what? Buyer's market. Are you with me or not? Now we are in the buyer's market. To that extent, while quoting the price, to that extent possible, what and all we can cut, we can avoid. Here, minimization of loss is the criteria. In marginal costing, maximization of profit. Demand rinda, I don't to bother about. Suppose more crowd. The moment I am going to announce crash course, assume 200 is the capacity, sir. Okay, I am announcing the crash course. If I am going to charge 10,000 rupees, sir, 10,000 very costly for the crash course, sir. If you are not there, other persons are waiting. Am I right? I no need to bother about the money. Am I right or not? Anyway, I can accommodate only 200 students. Which 200 students can ready to pay? I can start. Clear? Then that comes under marginal costing. Maximization of profit. More competition, I force to reduce the price. Then total cost. If I am going to charge 5,000 rupees for you, out of 5,000, apportion to fixed cost, rent 2,000 rupees, material cost 1,000 rupees, profit for the what? Faculty 2,000 rupees, other expenses and the faculty's remuneration. Totally how much will come? 5,000 I can fix. More competition, sir, not possible, sir. Many competitors are now come. If they are charging us a cheaper rate, 5,000 rupees, nobody will come. Another situation also will come. Right? In that juncture, if at all I got to reduce, otherwise I can't start the class itself. Quorum would still won't be there. Then I will charge 3,000 rupees. Student may come. Right? Others may think, for due to competition, how much the profit for per person for me? Out of 5,000, 2,000. He is sacrificing the what? Profit. Because of what we want to run the business. For my angle, same profit only. Fixed cost, whether I'm going to conduct or not, I have to incur the cost. Out of 5,000, I told what 2,000 fixed cost, 1,000 material, 2,000 profit. Profit still remains same. 1,000 variable cost remains same. I'm recovering. Clear? Fixed cost I don't want to charge because due to competition, if I'm going to close the business also same fixed cost I have to incur. Then 3,000 is a relevant cost. Marginal costing approach, I will charge 5,000. Demand regular 5,000 kudutava. Right? All the cost, I no need to worry about avoidable cost, unavoidable cost, committed cost, ella okay. Cost plus profit the method. So you have to change your mindset. In relevant costing, what is relevant? Therefore, what and all I can avoid, what and all not incurred because of your contract. Clear? Even if I am not going to accept what and all I am going to incur, those things and all I have to set aside. Listen carefully. Are you with me or not? Then only can solve the problem. So, marginal costing is form part of marginal costing. CVPM is also what? Form part of marginal costing. Relevant costing also form part of marginal costing. Pricing decision nothing but marginal costing only. Enna pannom pricing decision le? Clear? Marginal costing only. Throughput accounting, we applied the concept of marginal costing key factor. Transfer pricing, we are going to apply part of the concept of what? Part of the concept of marginal costing. Operating costing also, we are going to make use of the marginal costing technique. Budgetary control also, we are going to make use of the marginal costing. Not fully marginal costing, at least 15% of the marginal costing technique we are going to make use. If you are going to see collectively, substantial portion is based on marginal costing, sir. Understand logic or not? That's why 65% of the portion you can become strong if you are going to concentrate marginal costing. One of the part of the marginal costing we can say what? Relevant costing. Our intention is to minimization of loss. To that extent, avoid avoid. Now we are coming back to material. With respect to material, whether it is relevant or irrelevant for decision making. Material, depending upon the situation, we have to say relevant or irrelevant. What is situation? Material available in my stock worth of 10,000. Relevant or irrelevant cost? Already available in my stock. Relevant or irrelevant cost? Irrelevant. Why? Already incurred. Therefore, what cost? Sunk cost. It's a commonly committed mistake. Not possible. Why, sir? In your home, jewelry available or not? Already purchased only, no? The jewelry sunk cost. Depending upon the nature of the product only, you have to say, listen carefully, sit properly, listen carefully, participate. Then only you can solve the, otherwise, while solving the problem, you get the confusion. Why I added 10,000? Already, it's a general assumption, if it is already invested, it's a sunk cost. No, depending upon the nature of the material. Contract costing, maina da varum, illaya? Cement already is there. As a contractor, every time purchase panna maata. Am I right? I may have invested the money in cement. Yes, full irukkum. Depending upon the contract, I am going to release. Already purchase sunk cost. Day by day increase and clear? I purchase, for example, 100 rupees. At the time of signing the contract, it become 115. I have to charge only 150. Understand logic or not? Because if I am going to make use for your contract, again I have to purchase. Because fast moving stock, regularly used stock, depending upon the nature of the stock only, we can identify whether relevant or irrelevant. Are you with me or not? Same 10,000 worth of stock is there. Okay? For example, I am producing costing book, invested the money in costing book. Book cost comes to 100 rupees, for example. Therefore, if you want me to say sell, I can sell cost plus profit 100 plus something. Are you with me? Suppose excess book is there, another 200 books are there. You are asking excess book iruklo sir, 100 rupay korchala kudungo. Clear? Anyway, the coming exam going to come, no sir, why don't you reduce the price? Not relevant. It's a fast moving book, regularly used book. If you are not ready to buy, next batch student I can make use. Understand logic or not? Therefore, it's a regularly used stock. I no need to worry about for reduction in price. Suppose a income tax book. November exam you are going to write. Extra 200 books are there. Then, I no need to worry about invested money of 200. Even less than, invested money of 100. Even less than 100 rupees you are ready to pay. I have to accept. Am I right? Are you with me or not? Hello? Suppose you are asking, for my college I need sir 100 students, 200 students are there, but 100 rupees not possible, sir. Anyway, next after 2 months you can't the person to make use the book, no? Clear? Give me the for 50 rupees per book. 50 into 200 books you have to give. I can accept or not? No other go. Costing book I know not accept, but taxation book depending upon the material only. Are you with me or not? Suppose you are asking for 4 rupees per book. I can accept or not? Then I have to compare with, if I am going to give it to what seller, scrap ku porren, weight base pani paakanum. Minimum 5 rupees is there, for example. Not less than 5 rupees I have to sell. Because my opportunity cost 5 rupees. Adakke unta kudupana. Understood or not? Just for example I am telling you. Clear? So material depending upon the situation, whether it's relevant or relevant, how much relevant will come. Are you with me? Clear? இந்த தியரிலாம் தெரிஞ்சாதான் you can attack the problem. Problem will be very easy. டக்குன்னு முடிச்சிடலாம். Similarly, labor, sir. Labor costs are relevant or irrelevant? Labor costs, relevant costs or irrelevant costs? In general, labor costs. In general, labor cost is a committed cost. Irrelevant for decision making. Whether I have to accept the new assignment or not, irrespective of the case, I have to pay wages to the workers. Are you with me? Suppose, because of accepting the assignment, you are going to do overtime. Then, that overtime payment become relevant cost. Are you with me or not? Because of this project, I have to depute new skilled or unskilled employees. Then, additional labor force become relevant cost. Existing labor only, you are doing some other assignment. If you want to accept this assignment, I have to stop the old assignment, I have to transfer to you. What new assignment? Then salary become irrelevant cost, committed cost. But the old assignment, how much revenue I supposed to get? Net revenue. Clear? How much net income out of you I can gather? That net income is my opportunity cost. That's a relevant cost. Suppose I have deputed madam, okay, doing concurrent audit பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். Clear? Nominal income monthly வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. I am getting out of his 20,000 rupees nominal. Suppose new audit from Infosys has come, internal audit. So she is a skilled employee. Based on her role, I can complete. I am transferring from this job to that job. Then, while quoting the price for accepting the assignment or contract, labor cost is relevant. But I have to sacrifice per month 20,000 rupees. Right? That become relevant. Understand logic or not? Clear? So, depending upon the situation, whether relevant or irrelevant, we have to identify. Clear? Are you with me or not? What are all the two conditions to be satisfied for relevant costing? Already we discussed in the packet size book. What are all the two conditions we have to satisfy? Refer not at least for now. What are all the two conditions are there? Little fast, keep on, you have to revise, there is no other go. If it is going to be called relevant cost, what is the first condition? What are they? What, sir? First one. What are the two conditions? All are searching where is two. Stool இதெல்லாம் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிதுன்னு பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன். அந்த லெக்சன் நம்ம படிக்கிறோம். போ. It should be occur in the future and what ma? Alternative course of action. Refer no page number 26. Refer. Read ma. Read. The two conditions to be satisfied for relevant cost. What are all the common pitfalls in relevant costing? Common pitfalls in relevant costing. These are all famous question, past exam question. All variable costs are relevant. All fixed costs are irrelevant for decision making. Understood or not? Clear? All variable costs are relevant costs. Application of all variable costs are relevant costs. All fixed costs are irrelevant costs. All of you repeat. What are the common pitfalls in relevant costing? What's the name, Karna? What are the two common pitfalls? What are the first one? Fast. Why? All fixed costs are relevant. Why? Why? Mysore. Why all fixed costs are relevant costs? Why? Try. How to develop some point in exam, no? The 2 point, not 2 marks. 2 point, okay, madam. Okay, what is the second one? All variable costs, variable costs. Why? All variable costs are relevant costs. Why? Directly? Bangalore, madam. Navya. Why all variable costs are relevant? Please me begin. Very good. First question என்னன்னு பார்க்கணும். Common pitfalls in relevant costing. Commonly committed mistake in relevant costing. All fixed costs are irrelevant costs. The statement is not correct. All variable costs are relevant. It's an assumption that is not correct. You have to justify. என்ன பண்ணும்? Yes, variable costs also irrelevant cost. Fixed costs also relevant cost. Example எல்லாம் நடக்கணுமா? All variable costs are relevant cost because variable cost going to vary depending upon volume of production. Fixed cost irrelevant cost because the committed cost. Understood? Side heading மட்டும் படிச்சா உருப்பட முடியாது. முதல்ல கொஸ்டினையும் படிக்கணும். கொஸ்டின் மீனிங் புரியணும். This is the manner we are preparing for exam. Accepting or not? Understood? Should be very careful. Common pitfalls and commonly committed mistake. என்ன mistake பண்ணுவோம்? Variable cost mean we assume what? Yes, relevant. That is not correct. Variable cost may also be what? Irrelevant for decision making. Fixed cost you used to feel what? Yes, it's a irrelevant cost. No. Sometimes fixed cost also relevant cost. That justification you have to give with example. Further 3 marks or 4 marks they will answer. Understood or not? Hello? What are all the various stages of product life cycle? Takku sollu same order la solluvom. Same order. All of you. Easy or not? Please slap yourself. Slap yourself, all of you. This is a commonly committed mistake. My question is, what are all the various stages? Not what are all the various phases. Phases in product life cycle is different stage. Is the example 7 mark question. Various stages in product life cycle. I called madam for the purpose of what and all you have to do before I am going to join. Before I am going to start new product. Clear? Market research, specification, designing the product, prototype, tooling, manufacturing, selling, distribution, after sales service and decommissioning or death. Many occasions the 7 mark question asked. Immediately என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Product life cycle மட்டும் பார்க்க வேண்டியது. Okay? What and all I know about product life cycle I have to omit. We are not bothering about the question paper. Accepting or not? This is the manner our preparation is going on. We are not reading the question properly. We are not what is inside. Clear? Have overconfident. Final level very dangerous, sir. Every word is important. The average word important. You have seen it. Right? Minimum reduction in price, percentage of profit, rate of profit. All word what significance is there? If you are going to see just like that, how can you able to clear the exam? Mere blaming the ICA, there is no use at all. Your talent ella superb, sir. After all, you have to attach the license. You need your 2 letters, right or not? That is also equally important or not? The talent and all make use for the purpose of your practice. You can spend the money. First, try to get the license. After all, student stage more. Yes, student stage கஷ்டமா தான் இருக்கும். என்ன சார் மக்கப் பண்றதுல இதெல்லாம் what is this sir infotech பிடிக்கு எல்லாம் okay. Your fag end of this what educational curriculum. Thereafter you know to touch what book. Exam prepare பண்ண போறது இல்ல. If you want, you can add some additional qualification. Yes or no? Clear? Learning stage going to come to an end. Earning stage very soon going to start. இதை ஒழுங்கா fill பண்ணிட்டு போ. Now you are in between. No, இது very easy. First try to get the license. Criticizing the system of education, but okay. Now what is the position? You want to stand on your own. For that, get the license first. That's logic or not? Clear? So mere arguing there is no use. First try put your effort to what acquire the license. The two magic letters is a turning point in your life. Right or not? For that only these many years you struggled like anything. Little extra investment. Yes. Quality time for the purpose of preparation. What are the expectation from the examiner? Presentation. Whether I improved the presentation or not. For that you have to invest some time, sir. Clear? Write mock test. Writing one model examination is equal to avoiding one attempt. Writing one model exam is equal to avoiding one attempt. If you want to avoid that attempt, you have to write more and more model exam. There is no other go at all. Nowadays, students are not having guts to write the model exam. The main justification, excuse for not writing the model exam is what? Empa model exam எழுத மாட்டேன்றேன். Sir, I not even covered the syllabus, sir. Instead of writing the model exam, I can complete my pending portion. It's the first offense. What are all the pending portion you are not completed for the last 6 months or 6 years as the case may be, you are not in the position to complete within 1.5 months, 1.5 hours to 3 hours in the model exam. Or if you are going to get tomorrow model exam, and the 1.5 hours you are going to sit and prepare for some other pending portion, அப்ப படிக்க மாட்டேன். Not writing the model exam, you are having the excuse. That's all. அது ஒரு justification வச்சிருப்பேன். If there is excuse, there is no excellence from your end. If you want to do the excel in the profession, you no need to ask any excuse at all. Which one you have to follow, you have to decide. Our side torturing should be there. Yes, I'm almost going to finish the exam. I'm not going to what? Near to the what result. I want to clear daily basis, self-disciplined basis, you have to prepare for the exam. Try to have the writing practice, whether I am doing presentation properly or not. I understood whether delivery is there or not, without committing mistake I am doing or not. 8 points, whether I can able to recollect all the 8 points or not. All important example very clear. After you become chartered accountant, you can refer and tell for your client. You can prepare and tell. You can outsource and finish. But in exam, everything should be there inside. Am I right or not? For that, you need some sincere effort. And the nurturing ability, try, don't have the overconfidence. Till you are going to acquire the qualification, you are going to be called student only. You have to come out from this line. You have to cross that line. Always inside what? Even today, tomorrow, today class over, tomorrow onwards, suppose you are going to free. For even that time, you have to wake up early in the morning, you have to prepare. The main habit is what? No, the students say, especially for the state student, we are ready to contribute your quality time everywhere. I'm not joking at all. Client pays, new assignment. Even auditor may not know how to fulfill. Clear? You will read like anything, you will finish. IFRS audit, sir. First time, you are struggling like it because I want to learn. The interest will be there. First time you are going for bank audit, you are rocking like anything. Right? Any due diligence audit, you are going to do. You are going to read rules and you may going to explain to your boss also. Am I right? You are rocking your profession. Everybody is doing struggle like anything. Tax audit season, day and night, you are ready to sit and prepare. Clear? Because you want to mark your profession. Mark your presence. But the compromise will come only in case of our own growth. The moment you want to sit and prepare, very tired. Yes or no? Keep on your postponing. Unless otherwise you spend time, quality time for your profession, you can't grow, sir. Your duty, especially for our course. Sir, daily I'm going early morning to the class, late night only coming, sir. For faculty's growth, not for your growth, mind it. Ready to, all of you, ready to contribute time for the faculty. That's why faculties are growing. After that, you have to sit and prepare for your exam. Then only it's called your own quality time. You are ready to spend the time for tax audit season for the end boss, as a boss. You are ready to spend a lot of time. That's why cumulative your time, my growth is going like anything. Adhe tax audit la work panna mari, any one day you prepare for the examination. Only day before examination you used to prepare. That's the reason we are not the position to, you are not in the position to grow. Layman going to spend the time for actor and actress. That's why actor and actress are growing like anything. Because all the persons invested time is a growth for the one person. Right? Clear? That's why layman, always layman are there. Any political party growing like anything because of what the biryani kutam. Clear? Always they are spending the time. Life la thondana da iruppan. Right? Yes or no? Clear? That's the reason the illiterate people are ready to spend the time for the politician. Politicians are growing like anything. Still the people with the same line only. Always they begging like anything from the politician. Yes or no? Clear? Even person like you are ready to spend the time for sportsman. Day night cricket match. Happy watch பண்ணுவோம். One day, full day, 2 days class இருந்தா உட்கார முடியாது நம்மளால. Even if you want to study, you won't spend the time for you. That's why sportsmen are growing like anything. Always remember one thing, whoever it may be, nothing at the cost of their duty, they are not doing anything. Everybody shined like because of this only. Any one sportsman, Tendulkar eduthuko evana vatham. Clear? Today my match is there. No. Rajinikanth movie is going to come. I want to watch the movie. They are not going to cut the profession. They are not going to watch the movie. Right? They are also enjoying. Whenever time permits, they are enjoying. Even Rajinikanth, any hero for that matter, I will want to stop the shooting. I want to watch full day match. No kara poradilla. Those illiterate people also, they know what is the duty, which one is important. Right? Any politician, no. Today one issue is there. I want to address. I want to stand before media. That's the main aim. Right? Clear? Nothing at the, no, new movie is there. I want to see the movie. Movie release. At full day cricket match, I don't want to participate in anything. Even the politician, they know what? My duty, I want to be there in front of the camera. I want to do something. Am I right? They are doing their duty. That's why keep on, they are earning money. They are growing like anything in their field. Right or wrong? They are doing their duty. Am I right? I want to do justification. Highly educated people, number sollipom. Clear? Whether we are doing our duty, sir. All those people, one day they have to get the appointment from you for getting signature from you. Today is your signature, tomorrow it's going to be called audited financial statement. Try to know the value of your signature. But at the cost of our duty, bunking the class, not going to the office, not learning the knowledge properly, we are going behind actor or actress, clear, watching one cricket match, everything at the cost of your quality time. That's the reason we are not the person to grow further. Those people has to be you can be in the position to survive without watching movie or without watching our sports. But none of the sportsmen are what? Actor or actors. Without having chart or content, they can't the person to grow. Everywhere, every person need one CA certificate. Am I right or not? Why not? Tomorrow, you are going to be the auditor of the what? The what celebrity. They have to wait for your appointment. They have to call your appointment. Thereafter only they can come and meet you. Try to know our value of our profession. Inside fire should be there. Yes, I want to clear. Yes, I want to clear. Try the person who are ready to accept their own inefficiency and rectify. That person only can grow, sir. Otherwise, overconfident attitude alone will be there. What ensured, sir? I know about it. No, okay. First, try to get the qualification. Reality, how to see, sir. Blaming others, there is no use. Clear? The moment you are ready to accept what inefficiency am I having, try to realize, yes, my trade presentation problem is there. I want to improve. Or I am not the person to complete the exam within 3 hours. My speed is not there. My handwriting is not proper. Therefore, little I have to do something for that matter. If you keep on, if you are going to improve your presentation to clear the exam, thereafter nobody is going to bother about your writing slowly or superbly. Okay? Nobody bother. First, acquire the qualification. What is the task he is supposed to have? முட்டை கூட உள்ளிருந்து உடைந்தால்தான் ஜனனம், வெளியிலிருந்து உடைத்தால் மரணம். That nurturing has to come from your end. Keep on others going to torch. Okay, finish pannu, pass pannu motivation கொடுத்தா you will broke. That's all. Irritated. Yes, I want to clear. Inside the fire has to come. Then only can be the person to go to the next level. Yes or no? Toughest profession is our profession. Right or not? India first what? IAS. Next CA தான் சொல்றாங்க. Highest, toughest profession. But if you are going to see the reality, dignity wise, prestige wise, even the IAS of a superior person, those person has to open the gate for Sellu Raja also. Am I right or not? All politicians, 3rd standard cleared, 4th standard, they have to what? Salute. They forced to. That is what our rules and regulation law and order. But the chart accountant, clear? You know how much we are having dignity. Those persons also come and meet us only. Am I right or not? So profession wise, we are top. First, try to know your importance. Then only can go to the next level. To know the importance, once jocularly one interview was happened. CA, CWA, CS and the company secretary or MBA can take. Just for a fun one. To know the value of our profession. Not for the purpose of degree and other profession. In this interview they asked, MBA candidate, no sir. If I am going to give the appointment letter in my company, can you please tell me when you can purchase, when you can buy BMW? Why this question? Because assume my employee coming in the BMW car, then as a owner, how much I risk? Or how much I am going to be a rich person? Yes or no? My all staffs are coming in car now. I haven't grown like anything, right or not? Because at their effort only I am earning money, right? Employee itself coming, BMW is, highest car. Instead of purchasing the car, you can purchase 2-3 flat, right? So, when you will buy as an employee, when you will buy, immediately you won't buy. After earning money, after settled yourself, clear? So, you have to live for the purpose, you need a house property. End okay, let's now start with the small size car only. And yes, I earned grown like anything, I want to invest the money. Many people in their lifetime, they were not the person to purchase. Clear? Therefore, my employee is growing like anything. How much in industry and all, if you are going to contribute 100 rupees out of your work, I may going to pay 1 rupee as a salary. If you want to grow in your life, even to purchase BMW, accordingly my growth also going to increase. And I know how long you are going to stay with our company. It's an indirect way of asking the question. Are you with me or not? Whether you are going to be stay with me or not. MBA, after taking laptop, his own style. Clear? How much the take home salary? How much the tax? Okay. How much salary minus tax? Sir, within 10 years, I can buy BMW with their remuneration. They are very happy. Okay. Next, CS person went. CWA person went. Was the same question. After using the calculator, poor person. Okay. He said, I can be the person to buy BMW within 9 years, sir. Next, CS went. He is also calculated. After that, he said, what? Within 8 years. Our chartered accountant went. He asked the same question. When you can buy BMW? After calculating all salary other things, he said, within 15 years I can buy, sir. The interviewer started laughing. What year? Even MBA person said within 10 years. CWA said within, what? CS said within 9 years. CWA said within 8 years. But as a chartered accountant, we are expected more within 4 years or 5 years or 6. We are doing, what, 15 years? Are you sure? Yes, sir. Why within 15? Why you need 15 years? He said, no, sir. BMW is a very big company. Okay. You understood? Okay. Otherwise, leave it. BMW is a very big company. To buy BMW company, I need 15 years. Chartered accountants are meant for buying the company, not buying mere car. Understood or not? Every company, the role behind the company, the mastermind behind the company, one chartered accountant. You are going to be there in that list. Are you with me or not? Many chartered accountants, many rank holders not in the position to shine. Padicham, pass pannam, petam, somewhere employee only. Substantially 99% clear person not in the position to clear in the first attempt. But they are having skill. They know the pressure, how to tolerate the pressure. Clear? Person born rank holder. I am not criticizing those people. But substantially I am telling. Born rank holder. They are not in the position to accept even the small jerk also. Reality not possible, sir. Then only company can survive. We have to go to the next level. Clear? Or even though a superior person, department notice on the company, mistake some employee may commit a mistake. So many reasons will be there. It's beyond your knowledge. You have to go and talk politely, properly. No, I am a rank holder, gone. Understood or not? Clear? They are having the right to use the greening. How you are going to behave, that is a matter. Substantial chartered accountants are whoever is running the industry or ruling the industry, person, second or third or fourth or fifth or sixth attempt holder only. Because they know the pressure. Already they accepted the pressure like anything. You know how much pressure you undertook. The same pressure other people may not in the position to tolerate. Right or not? That's the reason. Any industry they are paying package, not for your qualifications, sir. Knowledge clear? But you know how to tolerate. Full 24 hours today you have to work to complete the task. You will work. Other person may not. Not even imagine. Clear? Even the class, morning 6 o'clock to night 8:30, you are ready to sit. Any other profession for them, what is possible for them to sit? How it is possible? Right or not? They accepted the pressure. Try to know the value. Cumulatively contribute your knowledge, your effort to your examination till you are going to write the exam. And you are going to rule in the world, sir. After that, nobody going to ask, What is called relevant cost? What is the formula for material price variance? Adala full irrelevant. Am I right? Area of interest only. I don't know indirect tax. No one can be the person to scold. I can hire the people to what finish my office task. Am I right or not? Clear? Thereafter, my area direct tax, my area indirect tax, my area only consultant. எதுல இருக்கோ அதுல you are going to be wrong and அதுக்கே உனக்கு டைம் இருக்காது. Am I right? If I am indirect tax specialist, how many offers will be there? அதை fulfill பண்ணவே டைம் இருக்காது. Am I right or not? I don't need to bother. You are having only one life. Happily you can enjoy. You can spend the money by way of single profession. Happy ah vechunda podum. Adula you should be a master in that. Clear? For that you have to clear the qualification. You know the what? Power of CA chartered accountant. Try to acquire cumulative. You are having sufficient knowledge, sir. Clear? No CA student having what? Less ella hard working student. But somewhere leakage is there. Somewhere the focus is missing. The entire all surrounded with light, sir. Visible. If I am going to cumulate them, okay, consolidate all the light into in single point, like laser vechi in the Bhudakanal vechi paakra mari, what will happen? It will fire, am I right? Iron shell would melt ayidum. Because it's a focus is the criteria. You are having sufficient knowledge. Ella abdiye paakama. If you are going to concentrate, yes, till another 2 months or 3 months, I am going to concentrate only for the exam. You can be in the position to rock like anything. Thereafter, you are going to be a leader in the world, not labor. Understood? So, remaining days, please make use. Try to what? The laziness is the worry. Sleeping is the first enemy for you. That's the worry. Before going to bed, happily how to sleep. Yes, today I have learned like anything. And your next enemy is what? Your mobile. Mobile is only for the purpose of communication, not for conversation. தூக்கி விட்டேரி. The 3 months, 4 months mobile இல்லனா செத்து போய்ட மாட்டேன். Clear? Today whatever you are going to update the status, not the real status all. After one particular point of yes, today onwards, I am CA Nivadita. Clear? If you are going to attach the prefix to CA, that's the real status. Am I right or not? And the real likes varum. Positive comment also will come. That's logic or not? Clear? In that day, that particular day, only parents also waiting. You are also waiting. Am I right? Focus pannu. Try to cut all unwanted elements. Remaining few months only you are going to be called student. Mind it. Understood or not? Now, the entire relevant costing, it is similar to marginal costing. Here our object is what? Minimization of cost. So let's do some problem based on relevant costing. All of you? Good. Maybe. என் ரூம்ல புக்ஸ் இருக்கும். என் ரூம் இருக்கு. கொஸ்டின் பேங்க் இருக்கும். அந்த டெக்ஸ்ட் புக் இருக்கும். டேபிள் மேல வந்து problem number 2, page number 13. Shall we start?
Company has 2,000 units of an obsolete item which are carried in inventory at the original purchase price of rupees 30,000. If these items are reworked for 10,000, they can be sold for 18,000. Alternatively, they can be sold as scrap for rupees 3,000 in the market. In a decision model used to analyze the reworking proposal, the opportunity cost should be taken as.
Just 2 more questions. After all, you have to compute opportunity cost. Shall we start? Let's try first. After all, opportunity cost, no try பண்ணுங்க first. I need how many of you new scheme students are there? 4, 5. Okay. I need 2 days class in the afternoon to complete the portion. I need 2 days class, extra class, okay, in the afternoon. combined scheme, so that I can complete new scheme also parallel. New scheme additional management theories are there. Is it possible for you to cooperate? Entire class I'm asking. Timing evening up to 8 o'clock வரைக்கும் class இருக்கும். Preferably what? 1 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Okay? Or 8:30 வைக்கலாம் 8 போகுமா? Okay, up to 8 o'clock வச்சுக்கலாம். Or 1 or 1:30. Morning for a new scheme like that, I have to change. No. Decision from IN முடியுமான்னு அதெல்லாம் அதர் ப்ராபபிலிட்டி எல்லாம் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணி தான் நான் கேட்குறேன். Just 2 days only, so that I can take some detailed also instead of autumn. That seems to be regular class. I don't know, especially for the common topic like marginal costing and the CVP, marginal costing, the standard costing. Nowadays budgetary control with the standard budget control with the marginal costing, and if possible the service sector costing also in detail I would like to take, because you know recent past many twisted question to the to CVP la merge பண்ணி நிறைய கேக்குறான். So if you allow, I will take what fully right from the scratch, fully extensive manner I would like to take if permits. No? If you permit tomorrow also. Today alone not possible for me because the teachers day other function is there in ICA. I have to go. Tomorrow onwards if permits. The timing I will announce. If evening possible na, I have to arrange some other hall also. That's the reason first time asking. Thereafter hall availability, other combo nariya irukku. Then only I can confirm. Sorry. உட்கார முடியாதா? Okay, 1 to 8 or 2 days morning if you எடுத்துக்கும். Morning new scheme student has to come. 1 up to 12 or 11:30 வரைக்கும் morning. Morning full and full theory. I can't take full theory. You will also get bored. Morning 7 o'clock to 11 வரைக்கும். Okay, if possible 11 வரைக்கும் வச்சுக்கலாம். In 7 to 9, thereafter we'll break for breakfast. Again what? 9:30 to 11 we'll have the management theory we can complete. Okay, it's not only for the 2 days. 2 days எவ்வளவு முடிக்குதோ முடிப்போம். Thereafter also another 2 more days if you want we can extend accordingly. உங்களுக்கு break கொடுக்கலாம். Morning 7 to 9, 2 days we'll have the management theory for the new scheme. Thereafter another 2 days if required. Okay, 6:32 or 7 to 9 before breakfast மட்டும் நீ வரணும். Those people we can invite for after 9 o'clock. After having breakfast they can come and join morning time. That up to as usual what the regular schedule only. Okay, 1 o'clock or 1:30. I need இப்போ 7 to 11 எடுக்க போறேன் இல்லையா, அந்த 1 o'clock to 8 o'clock if you are going to permit me to take, I can book some hall also. Clear? Exhaustive manner will take what all, plus thereafter followed by what? The CVP analysis, decision making, merging, other problem தனியா எடுக்கப்பா. Not only this. So basic level as well as what? All. Right from 0 to I am going to talk what? The merging, reverse working, reconciliation, எல்லாம் to the core. So exam போகும்போது you should be pakka in those topic because most important topic. Possible? So if you have extra 1 or 2 days கிடைக்க chance இருக்கு. அப்படி இருக்கு 1 or 2 days னா நறுவுல இல்ல. I can do past exam question also in the classroom discussion லே பண்ணி கொடுத்துருவேன். Past exam question study material practice manual problem irukya, that also I would like to do in the class if you are permitted, so that it is equal to regular class mari unakku aidum, provided you have to spend some. I am ready. Okay, நான் பிஸியா இல்ல, வெட்டியா தான் இருக்கேன். If you are ready, okay, nowadays students are much more busier than faculty. That's a big issue. 14 days I'll make you to get minimum of 70 mark is what my aim. Minimum it's the least mark it's 70. At the earliest, இது முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் அட்வான்ஸ் லெவல் ப்ராப்ளம் போட முடியும். If you keep on going to postpone, end வரும்போது there is no use. 14th at any cost you have to complete other assignments இருக்கு. Are you able to appreciate என்னன்னு சொல்றேன் புரியுதா? If I am going to complete இது ஒரு 2 days போறதுன்னு வச்சுக்கேன், another 2 days இந்த ஒரு கிளாஸ் போகும், திரும்ப நார்மல் கிளாஸ்ல போகும். அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் I can go for the next level problem. Understood? If you fag and 14th கிட்ட வந்துருச்சுனாக்க போர்ஷன் முடிக்க தான் கரெக்டா இருக்கும். Even if I am going to take extra class, I can't go for the advanced level problem. Just 2 days if you are going to accept. இன்னைக்கு இல்ல, நாளையில இருந்து இருக்கிறதே 1.5 வீக் தானே கிளாஸே. என்ன டேட் டுடே? 6th இல்ல, நான் அதுக்கப்புறம் வெண்ணி அவைலபிலிட்டி கேட்கணும், அவங்களும் ஒத்துக்கணும். 6, 7 or 7, 8 your choice. And subject to I have to get the permission for hall also. அதையும் தெரிஞ்ச அப்புறம் தான். இன்னைக்கு 6 and 7, இன்னைக்கு என்ன 5th ஆகுனா, either 6 or 7 or 7 or 8 your choice. If you are going to accept this proposal, you have to come 1 to 8. Combination of both. I am asking old new மட்டும் தனியா கூட கேட்டிருப்பேன். I'll repeat once again. 1 o'clock to 8 o'clock. No confusion. 1 o'clock to 8 o'clock. All student, both new as well as old, any 2 days, 6 or 7 or 7 or 8, is it possible to come for the 1 to 8 session? This alone, instead of morning, okay? 1 to 8 or 8:30, 8:15, ஒரு 10 நிமிஷம் நம்ம போகலாம். Deal? 7 and 8. Are you clear? All of you? முடிச்சப்புறம் தெரியாதுன்னு சென்றாய் மாதிரி சொல்லக்கூடாது. இப்படியே சொல்லிட்டு எனக்கு 7 or 8 or 6 or 7. 7 or 8. To that extent, maximum 7, 8 நான் ட்ரை பண்றேன். Suppose ஹால்ல ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம், when you have to change 2 days alone. ஹால்ல ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்தா I'll go for 6 and 7 or 8 and 9 depending upon that. Okay? அதான் 6 or 7, 7 or 8, 8 or 9ல ட்ரை. இதெல்லாம் least probability I'll give. Okay? Suppose when இல்லனா I can't, instead of cancelling the class, I can go for next best. First priority I'll give to that extent 7 or இருமா, அதான் சொல்றேன். First priority 7 and 8 I'll to that core. எனக்கு மட்டும் ஆசையான anyway I have to shout sir, any 2 இருந்தா எனக்கு for me immaterial only. Clear? I'll try my level to book the session on 7 and 8. Suppose ஏதோ ஒரு இதுல hiccup ஆறுது 7லயோ 8லயோ some problem, they are having some other program like, I have to go for 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 depending upon the what date the venue available. That I have to what? Discuss with other people. Understood? Are you with me? Yes. அந்த 1 o'clock முன்னாடி படிக்கிற மாதிரியா? Okay, that will discuss. No issue. That is, after finishing, you can go to the next class மாதிரி. Right? Okay, that we can. Okay, ஏன் ரீடிங் ஹால்ல உட்கார்ந்து படிக்கலாம், நீங்க கூட தப்பு இல்ல. Okay. Now, assume you join some other class in some other academy. For example, இங்க 7 to 11 தான் இருக்கு. Will you join some other class also or not? SFM மாதிரி எங்கேயோ போறேன்னு வெச்சுக்கோ. Clear? அது மாதிரி நினைச்சுக்கலாம். Okay. Now, சரி, that will discuss later. The new syllabus will decide 1 to 1, very less code only, we can decide later. Okay, I'll give the first priority for 7 and 8. Deal? All of you? Good. Okay, now kindly go through the question. Thank you, Gana. Thank you for your cooperation. What are the first one? What's the requirement of the question, Kana? Second question, right? Second or third? Second question. What are the requirement, Kana? Opportunity cost you have to compute. Now, how many quantity available? Enna kuduthirunga question. What type of quantity, Kana? What is called obsolete item? No value. Clear? Original purchase value how much? 30,000. Now current resale value comes to 18,000. If I am going to do the reworking cost, so that resale value become 8,000. 18,000. Therefore, I can get the profit of 8,000. Idu purinjudha kanna? Are you with me? இதுவா or alternatively வா in addition to scrap 18 A3 ஓ இதுதான் 3000 ஓகே ரைட்டா maybe now I'll repeat once again. Original purchase value 30,000, scrap value, am I right? Scrap value 3,000. Resale value 18 rupees, provided I have to do reworking of 10,000, therefore profit to the extent of 8,000 I can get. Which option is will choose? They have given, we are going for resale value, reworking they are doing. If I am going for reworking, what is the opportunity cost? That is what I have. Opportunity cost is equal to how much in this equation? Suppose they are going for the last option, reworking option. Then what is the opportunity cost? Option A 3,000, option B 5,000. 3,000 or 5,000. How many of you feel 3,000? Slap others. Your answer is correct. Because the next best alternative is called opportunity cost. When example, a very few students, 15% of the student only, they took what? 8,000 minus 3,000. That is not correct. Next best alternative, difference back. Okay? It's based on the definition. Opportunity cost nothing but next best alternative. Easy only, no? Now, shall we go to the next one? In exam also, you can do the chart wise presentation, line by line, so that you will also have the better control. Okay? No, total value 3,000, not per unit cost. Problem number 3.
A particular job requires 800 kgs of a material. 500 kgs of the particular material is currently in stock for a long time. The original price of the material was rupees 300, but current resale value of the same has been determined as rupees 200. The current replacement price is 0.8 per kg. Find out the relevant cost of the material required for the job. A particular job requires 10,000 kgs of a material. 6,000 kgs of the particular material is currently in stock and it is fast moving in nature. The original price of the material was rupees 6,000, but current resale value of the same has been determined as rupees 5,400. The current replacement price of the material is rupees 1.2 per kg. Find out the relevant cost of the material required for the job.
Can you please try? Okay, shall we start? Now, start pannamakana. Similar type of question, am I right? Required material evalapa 10,000 kgs. Available stock எவ்வளவு இருக்கு? 6,000 available in hand. Remaining, how much to be buy? Balance to be purchased comes to 4,000. Original value, purchase value, whereas scrap resale value scrap 5,000. The replacement cost at the rate of how much you have to spend to buy? Therefore, how much you have to spend? For the relevant cost. How much relevant cost? Original purchase value. Relevant cost. Original purchase value. So 5,400. Fast moving material. We are not going to scrap in that circumstance. Yes, this out of pocket cost, therefore 11 cost. Listen here. In case of fast moving material, if I am going to use that material for your contract, again I have to repurchase, again I have to refill, again I have to replace. So replacement cost of 1.2 is a relevant cost. replacement cost all over. 7,200 is a relevant cost. It's due to what? Replacement cost. Therefore, it's a relevant cost. So, replacement cost is a relevant cost. Out of packet cost also relevant cost. Total relevant cost comes to 12,000. How many of you got 12,000 answer? Good, good, good. Same contract industry. I am having cement. I purchase a cement for 6,000. Today's value 7,200. How much I have to quote? If I am going to scrap 5,400, in case of fast moving material, why should I scrap? Therefore, the option is ruled out. If it's a regular, don't force you to come to your answer. What is the right answer? Right answer. Now, we are having cement. We are having cement. If the fast moving material means I don't need to scrap. Therefore, scrap value ruled out. Right or not? Second one. Original purchase price. Yes, relevant. Subject to what is the price of current situation. Now, if I am going to use that material for your contract, it's a regularly used material. Again, I have to buy because a regular stock. For you, I will spend for you, I am going to charge 6,000. For me, I have to spend for 7,200. Which one I have to charge? Yes, you can buy it on your own. I will complete the contract. If you are going to purchase the material from your end, you have to spend 7,200. No, that only you have to charge. Understand? Yes, ma'am. Where? Yeah, if it is there, we'll consider. Yes. Material மூலியமா அது வராது. Labor, other things also you have to consider in that circumstance. If I'm going to accept, labor and other cost also will form part. That's why. It's for decision making, not for account. It's for decision making. Understood? All of you? Good. So, similar situation only. If the soul moving is different, depending upon the story only, you have to what? Identify relevant or irrelevant. Understood? Now, shall we go to the next one? Fourth question now. That's a simple question. Study material problem.
The following data pertains to X Limited for the year 2007. Expected sales 50,000 units, variable cost rupees 2.5 per unit, fixed cost rupees 1.5 per unit, selling price rupees 5 per unit. The company expects to get a special order for 10,000 units at a price of rupees 3.75 per unit. Advise whether the export order should be accepted or not.
Variable cost, how much? Relevant or relevant? Due to out of packet cost or incremental cost for the purpose of accepting the offer. Clear? Fixed cost, nil, because absorbed fixed cost. Because of accepting the offer, I am not going to incur any additional fixed cost. Or because not accepting the offer, I am not going to avoid any fixed cost. If case of avoidable fixed cost, then it is become relevant for decision making. Absorbed fixed cost, irrelevant for decision making. Therefore, it's a irrelevant cost. That's all now. So total relevant cost comes to 2.5. Any offer price is there? Yeah. Offer price 3.75. Therefore, How much the profit per unit? 1.25. How much the quantity we are going to accept? 10,000 amount. Therefore, total profit for accepting the offer. I will calculate one more. Okay. Okay. Therefore, accept the offer. Reason. Reasoning dumb. Then a fluke la pass பண்ணுங்க. Make it true or false with a reason, valid with reason, valid or invalid. Reason. Muruga. Yes, madam. தெரியலனாலும் மார்ஜினல் காஸ்டிங் அப்ரோச்ல போடலாம். என்ன பண்ண டார்கெட் காஸ்டிங் இத டார்கெட்னு சொன்னா டார்கெட் காஸ்டிங் போடலாம், மார்ஜினல் காஸ்டிங் போடலாம். அக்செப்ட் பண்றதுனால அடிஷனல் காஸ்ட் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுமா இல்லையா? அக்செப்டிங் தி ஸ்பெஷல் ஆஃபர், accepting the what less price, then differential costing approach. Differential cost is 11 cost. Either way இங்க தான் இருக்கும். 12 major area of decision making is differential costing is applicable. For marginal costing but differential cost apply பண்ணணும். Clear? Why? Accepting the offer which is lesser than the market price. Then incremental cost. For incremental cost something about relevant cost only. Yes. Now go to the next problem. Problem number 10.
A company can make any one of the four products A, B, C or D in a year. It can exercise its option only at the beginning of each year. Relevant information about the products for the next year is given below. Compute the opportunity cost for each of the products. A, B, C and D. Selling price rupees per unit is 10, 15, 12 and 12. Variable cost rupees per unit is 6, 5, 9 and 7. Market demand in units 3000, 2500, 2000 and 1000. Production capacity in units 2000, 3500, 3000 and 900. Fixed cost is 30,000 rupees.
What are the requirement? After all opportunity cost, no? Find out. You are all expert in big cost. Try. Okay. Shall we start 10th question? Opportunity cost you have to compute, right? Class cancel பண்ணவடா. Statement of computation of operating cost. Particulars என்ன ப்ராடக்ட் இருக்கும்? 4 products. 3 products. CD. Selling price of A 12 and variable cost 9 and 7. Therefore, contribution 4, 10, 5. Maximum capacity. How much? What, ma'am? Whereas demand of the product 2000 and Therefore, sales quantity will be how much? Whichever is lower. Total contribution so opportunity costing. If I am going to select A, any one product only I can select. If I am going to select A, the next best alternative opportunity cost is 25,000. If I am going to select B, the next best alternative 8,000 is opportunity cost. If I am going to select C, the next best alternative. If I am going to select C, D, next best alternative. Don't write 6,000. Next best, no, very not very next best. Okay, 25,000. So that's a specialty in costing. After seeing the answer, okay, 4 more question, 3 times similar question appear in the exam. Understood? Unexhausted time, remaining time, idle, next best alternative. Okay.